Do you have a love for photography that you want to turn into a profitable business that makes you excited to get up in the morning? Well, then you're in the right place. Hello, fellow creatives. My name is Suad of Suad Photography, and I have been running a successful, profitable business for almost 3 decades. I currently specialize in commercial, wedding, portrait, and fine art photography. But I've also had the pleasure of capturing real estate and product photography as well. Because I've had my experience with different types of photography, I know that I can help you run a profitable business no matter what your niche or expertise may be. This channel is about creative beauty, passion, and visual authorship, with sprinkles of gear, technique, and business entrepreneurships thrown in there as well. My interest is the why of photography. So even though I'll be offering tips and techniques, my desire for this channel is to create videos that are fresh and educational for individuals in front of and behind the lens. I will attempt to showcase topics that ignite and bring awareness to the value of photography. The journey of this channel will be both the discipline of photography as well as life experiences that adds richness to imagery and the visual storytelling. I believe that sharing is caring, so I'm here to share my knowledge and passion for the visual art of storytelling and documentation. I look forward to playing my part in inspiring and empowering fellow photographers and helping to build up a more powerful and supportive photography community. If you're passionate about this like I am, then please hit that subscribe button and be sure to click that bell for notifications so you don't miss any weekly valuable information and tips. And please feel free to share a comment below with any requests or suggestions for me as well. I welcome all creative inputs. I look forward to sharing with you and growing with you in this photography industry, and I'll see you again soon.